this is mariawuuu. I'm invited by one of the biggest beauty salons in Lahore, and they're going to doll me up like a Desi bride. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to see how it turns out. Guys, abhi main kapde pehne ke baad makeup karwaungi, so I'm going to the dressing room. Aa jao. This is my cubicle. See you guys later. Bye bye. Yay, I've changed. Do I look nice? लेकिन एक बात तो है, this is very heavy यार. The artificial nails, they're so convenient and less time consuming. I personally don't like to keep long nails. We're doing two looks, one for Barat function and one for Walima function. Barat is a function arranged by the bride's family and Walima is a function from the groom's side. Marker Mehndi, it's so interesting. It was literally my first time seeing it done this way. Nath, a nose accessory where a string is attached to the nose ring, a typical subcontinental style. It's a clip, but it hurt a lot because of the weight. They helped me to wear the lens. I wasn't used to wearing them, so it took a while. The lens do make your eyes look bigger though. Yes, let's start. After foundation is applied, we start the eye makeup. First, we make the base. Then we accentuate and add depth to the crease, adding some dimension to the eyes. We added a pop of shimmer, where we went for a golden glittering eye makeup to match the dress. And then we applied false eyelashes. Finally, the makeup is done. We went for a messy low bun. The front is sleek and we did a center partition. In the subcontinent, weddings are always organized lavishly. Hence, the brides wear jewelry from head to foot. Pakistani bridal dresses have a lot of embroidery work on them. This may be mirror, pearls, sequins, and thread works. The vibrant colors are impressive and magnificent. The red is the oldest and most commonly used bridal wear color in the subcontinent as well as in China. After we got done with the Barat bridal photo shoot, we had to change into the Walima look. We didn't take off the entire makeup, we did some minor changes, touch up as you can say, such as the eyeshadow and the lips. And ta-da! We were done. We started at 12 and it was almost 8 o'clock when I got done with the photo shoot. To be honest, my energy level was down. Can you tell that I was tired? If no, then I guess I did a good job. Finally, the pack-up time. I couldn't wait to take off the heavy dresses. So I'm finally back home and I'm going to remove all my makeup. So much time to take off this makeup. I had never done this kind of heavy makeup ever in my life. Because Chinese people prefer natural beauty, so हम बहुत light makeup करते हैं. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video and do let me know which one is your favorite look, the Barat one or the Walima one. And I hope to see you guys next week. Bye bye.